In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete messengers on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started. And the first off, open up Messenger app. And then if you want to remove some particular message from a conversation, all you have to do is just get into that conversation. And then let's say I want to delete that particular message. All we have to do in that case is just hold down our finger at that message. And it comes up with the reply, forward and more options. All we have to do now is just hit add more, and then hit add on send. It will pop up with that options and send for everyone or and send just for you. If you want to delete this message completely so that no one can see it, choose and send for everyone, and that will remove that message. And now it says you and send a message. If you want to remove entire conversation, you can go back to your chats, and then you can just swipe to the left on the conversation that you want to delete. And then instead of archiving that conversation, just hit add more and then select delete. It will ask you delete this entire conversation. Just hit add delete, that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.